Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and here's our first update on the products that are coming in for the raffle and to be stuffed into our gift bags. I'm going to go through 3 different boxes of items that have come in, but first we are at 21 people signed up out of 35. That will be the maximum for this event. So that only leaves 14 places left. The motels that are available to give you a discount will stop their affording the discount for metal bashing meat at the beginning of September. Okay, let's start looking into some of the packages that we've got. We have Randy Richards from Randy Richards in the Shop is his YouTube channel, and we have the Engineer's Black Book. If you're not familiar with the Engineer's Black Book, when I open this one, you'll be not surprised, but glad to get some of these pieces if you are successful in the raffle. And in here we have Willwood. So let me get these things off of the table. I'll spread them out one at a time and let you see what kind of goodies we got going. First we have Randy Richards. Randy Richards in the Shop sent a bunch of stickers. One of those will go into each of the gift bags. And he sent along one of his nice knockers that are to be used on the mill and lathe. They're a dead blow, and they have a brass on one end and UHMW on the other. And he's got taped to the end one of his brass chits. From the Engineer's Black Book, what will be going into hopefully each of the goodie bags. I haven't counted them. I'm just now opening these boxes, so I don't know what's in any of them. If we have enough, there will be one of these aluminum. It's a thread pitch gauge, both metric and fractional on both sides, and then your bolt sizes, and that's double-sided. And here you have a double-sided chart that is both metric and fractional, and it is also a tap drill size chart. So if you get one of these in your goodie bag, you will like it. And to go into the raffle, we have 2 outside deburring tools. We have a few of the Engineer's Black Book. And then we have quite a few of the Engineer Black Book for fasteners. And these items will be going into the raffle. In the last box I'm going to open for today, I have more that I'll be showing you probably next week. Some pretty good stuff. Willwood sent us two stacks of their catalog, and apparently each one has a sticker in it, and one each will be in your goodie bag. And for the raffle, they sent along 2 very nice leather slappers, and also in the raffle would go the poster. Well, I guess it's more of a banner for Willwood. So as you can see, there's some pretty nice stuff coming in that you can take home by buying tickets to the raffle. Like I said earlier, there are only 14 places left, and just in a few days the discount for the motels will be going away. So if you've been kind of on the fence whether you want to attend this event, I would suggest doing it fairly shortly. So that's it. Probably next week I'll be opening 2 or 3 more boxes. Thanks for watching. See ya.